Hello everyone, this is BRS Reviews with you, and today I want to share something. If you're playing a game or anything that's full screen, you want to know what time it is, and you don't want to have to Alt-Tab out just to check your taskbar every time, do you? Here's an easy way if you have a separate monitor, or if you want to have this on top of your game, you can, but I would recommend having it on a different monitor. You can set this up. And that just stays on your screen. It's a simple layout. You can have a dark or a white. That's all done by a program called Rainmeter. And Rainmeter has an overlay of weather or whatever else that you want to put on your screen. You can download that for free. And I'll leave all the links that you need in the description. Now, to get the clock, you can either build this from scratch, or an easier way to do this, go to this site here, visualskins.com, Elegant Clock. This is for Rainmeter. The only problem with this one is it's in military time. So if you do not want it in military time, you have to edit the INI. And I will show you how to do that. It's just a file. That's all that goes into Rainmeter. After downloading Elegant Clock, you'll get this file. Elegant Clock RM Skin. To install this, all you need to do is double click this. Then it will show inside of Rainmeter. See how I have the Elegant Clock one in there? Okay. Now if you click this, you get a dark clock or a light clock. Well, I'm using the light clock because I like the white font. So to edit this to be a 12-hour format, you need to click on this once just to highlight it. Come over here to edit. Click edit. Okay. Now to get the 12-hour format, you got to change this line here where it says measure time, measure equals time, because this one is for the date. The top one is the one you want. You need to change it to this format. %I, colon, %M, space, %P. And that's going to give you the hour, the minutes, and AM, PM. That's the format that Rainmeter takes to make it 12-hour. And there is documentation on that in here. You can make your own clock with your own background, but this is how you do this. Hope this helps you guys out. If you're in a game or something like that and need a clock, this is how you would do it. It's pretty nice. I like it a lot. It's all free. Everything on here is free. Rainmeter, doing the Elegant Clock skin is a free skin. If you find this video useful, please like it. And if you'd like to see more like this in the future, please subscribe. Thanks for watching, everyone.